Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to your profile area. Tap the profile photo space. Choose camera to take a new picture or gallery to pick an existing one because you want control over framing. Once you pick a photo, make sure to allow any permission prompts so the app can access storage or camera. Then use the built-in crop guide to frame your face or logo. This matters because WhatsApp displays a circular crop. Now you edit and crop. Focus on what will remain inside the circular display. You can pinch to zoom, drag to reposition, and rotate slightly to make eyes level. This ensures your subject won't be cut off. If needed, adjust brightness or contrast so the image reads well at small sizes. Once adjusted, tap Done to save the crop and check the preview in a chat or a contact list since thumbnails shrink and details can disappear if overcompressed. Finish by tapping Save so your new profile photo uploads to your account. You'll see it update across devices. Then make sure to set profile photo privacy. Everyone, my contacts, or nobody, so you control who sees it. If the photo fails to update, try restarting WhatsApp, toggling network, Wi-Fi, or mobile, or clearing cache. If upload still fails, re-export the image at 72/150 dpi and re-upload. One key tip: check.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.